Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate. And today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Right guys? So first off, we're only going to use one account. Now the reason I say that is because most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets use multiple accounts because they trust it, they know it works. But for beginners, they only use one account. They only start with one account. And I kind of want to show the type of results I'm getting only using one account. That's why I do that. So when you guys first start, these are the type of numbers you should eventually start getting to. And you may make more than me, you may make less than me, but here we go. All right guys, so first off, before we get started, if you're interested in following along, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Links are in the description below, and let's go. All right, so first I want to talk about the reason why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business. And it's because it's essentially a funnel builder, and it's a very good funnel builder with no limitations at all. You can make a 28-page funnel if you want to. If you really want to. I don't know why you would, but you could do it. All right, guys? And it's easy to connect domains. It's easy to make domain subdomains, and it's just stuff that's really easy to do. It's simple to do things. It's easy to make the funnel, make it look nice. Easy to make it look nice. It's a ton of people who upload their funnels to the system. Like when they make the funnel, they can upload their funnel to the system, and you can get that funnel, so you don't even have to make the funnel for most people, because the people who are in the system like to, give people that sign in funnels. But anyway, guys, yeah, so those are a lot of reasons why I like signing up to it, right? And it's only $25 per month. Let me tell you, no limitations. That's amazing. You can make as many funnels as you want as well. Because the most popular funnel builder is ClickFunnels, which is $97 per month, and there's a ton of limitations, including how many funnels you can make, how many pages you can make, all of that stuff, even how many people can see your funnel, which I personally thought was kind of crazy. And if you want to get rid of those limitations, you got to pay $300 per month, which I think is absolutely asinine. And so I'm so glad I found this product. All right, guys. And the second reason why I like promoting this product personally is because, and I think the reason you guys are interested in it and why I was initially interested in it and why I looked at it in the first place, because it's affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions. Every $100 you make for them, you get 80 of it. 80% recurring commission, guys. That's insane. Let me tell you how insane that is. If you were to tell me before I seen this system that a product gives you about 40% recurring commissions, 35% recurring commission, I would have thought to myself, hey, that's pretty good. Now I think not anymore. Since I found this system here, guys. And I think this is the reason you guys are interested. I sure interested in it. And it's easy to build up an income with that type of, odds in your favor, so to speak. All right, guys. So I guess let's get to our results here. So we're gonna refresh the page here. Hit refresh. Refresh. There we go. All right, so we got a sale.
Nice.
Okay, I see what happened here. So I did get a sale, guys, and this is the first time this has happened. Well, I think up here. Well, the first time I recognized what it was. This is a sale from the second product in My Lead Gen Secrets. There's a $25 product, and then there's a $125 product, correct? So this is a sale from that. So I think they did the 2 weeks and they decided they liked it, so they stayed in the system. And now they're paying $100 per month. So, which is amazing. I love it. And it's $100. So it is another sale. It's just somebody who was already in the system made the ball. Because I got these bite to bite, so that ain't happened before. So now I knew what it was this time. So anyway, guys, that's the sale I got, the $100. So one sale. All right, man. All right, guys, which is really great. So anyway, as you just saw me do, make sure when somebody show you results, they refresh the page and show you exactly what the results are. here, and because it's very easy to change all of this around to make it look like whatever you want it to look like, right? So when you refresh the page, it goes back to its original settings and show you the real results. All right, so let's go over to my lead gen secrets here. We're gonna go and click select all. We're gonna just pretty much follow what we've been doing here. Okay, we went to that email next. We sent that one there. So we go back to making money my first week. So we go to this one. We put it in there. And we just click on it like that. It's the same email we've been sending anyway. And you can copy paste it. You can pause at any moment, copy it. So I'm just gonna do that so you guys have a chance to pause it if you want to copy it. And you want to put your link right here. You just get this link here. Let me show you the link to get now. Make sure you get this link here. It promotes both products. It promotes both recurring products. So that's why you want to get this link here. The all-in-one $25 business. All right. So you put that link right there. You put it in. Boom, boom, boom. Put your email in there. I'm gonna type in my name real quick. I like putting my name. I like putting that in and make it bold. Slides. I like doing that. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Make sure you hit perfect timing. Perfect time does send an email around time people check their emails. Make sure to hit preview and make sure your link works. I know my link works because this email is already in the system, so I don't gotta check. And then you just send an email, and then you're done for the day, guys. That's all it takes, man. It's so simple and easy to do. I just do this every morning, and I'm making a lot of money on a bike burner of just doing this every day, guys. That's all I'm trying to say. It's working for me really well, and I think it'll work well for you guys too. That's all. And if you're interested in following along, like I stated before, the links are in the description below. Every single link in the description below. Very easy to follow along. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.